Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add your Discord link to your TikTok bio. So to do that, I'm just going to go here and I'm going to go to the invite people section. Here, I'm also going to select edit invite link. You want to make sure it doesn't expire, so never, and says no limit. You're also going to then generate a new link and copy it. Go to TikTok, edit your profile, and just paste it into links. I can't show you on PC, but it is on your phone, and it's the same thing practically. Like if you want to copy and paste the Discord link, you can do it on your phone as well. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.